If you want to add a second X, formerly Twitter, account to the same app and switch between both profiles quickly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to add your second account, log in safely, and move between accounts anytime you need. This is perfect if you manage a personal account and a brand account, or if you just want to keep different profiles organized without constantly signing out. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to x.com, then sign in to your primary account. Once you're on the X home screen, look at the bottom left corner of the page. You should see your profile picture, your display name, and your handle. That little profile card is what you'll use to manage multiple accounts. Now click anywhere on that profile card. You can click on your photo, your name, or your handle. A small menu will appear above it with account options. In that menu, look for Add an existing account. On some screens, you may see it represented with a plus icon. This is the option that lets you link a second account without logging out of the first one. Once you click that option, X will bring up a standard sign-in window. Now enter the username, email address, or phone number for your second account. After that, click Next, then type in the password for the second account and click Login. If your second account has two-factor authentication turned on, X may ask you to enter a 6-digit verification code as well. Just complete that step and your second account will be added. After the login finishes, both accounts should now be connected to the same app session. This means you do not need to keep entering your credentials every time you want to use the other account. It also makes account switching much faster, which is great if you post content, reply to messages, or manage different communities from separate profiles. Now here's how to switch between both accounts instantly. Go back to the bottom left corner again and click your profile card one more time. This time, the pop-up menu should show both accounts side by side. You'll see your primary account and your second account listed together. To switch, simply click the profile picture or name of the account you want to use. X will refresh and you'll be moved over to that account's feed and the dashboard. That's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can add a second X account and jump between both profiles whenever you need. It's a simple setup, but it can save a lot of time if you use X for personal posting, business updates, or content management. If this video helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.